Today I am at the beach to photograph some birds and some animals. It is very difficult to find wildlife near the beach, but you can always find a lot of birds. I have with me my Canon M50 Mark II with a 55 and 200 lens. As you can see, I'm already sweating here. I'm going to go now and try my luck with bird photography. Wish me luck and let's go. So it's 8:30 in the morning, and the sun is just rising in my back. I don't know if you can see, but yes, it's been raining for quite some time now, and it has been on and off. It would rain for half an hour or 45 minutes, and then it would stop. And the weather is a bit cloudy. I just hope I am able to get some good photographs of some birds, of some wildlife. Wait. So as you can see, I'm already sweating here, even though it's morning time. But so yeah, there are some birds flying there. I want to show you, but I'm not sure if you are able to look. See. There's one more. There's one more. I'm not sure if you're able to see this, but surprisingly, there are a lot of birds here. They're also very patient, so I'm able to photograph them. It's very tricky to maintain a continuous focus on these birds as they move fast around the beaches. So it becomes very difficult to maintain focus on them, and you might lose focus while on video. Although on photo, since it's a still image, you need not worry about that. But mostly during creating a video, see this. So yeah, there are a lot of birds, and let's see if we can capture them in our camera. Look, what do we have here? So I'm joined here by my furry friends. You're following me. I think there is some tussle between this furry front on that over there, some little far off around here, and they are continuously looking at each other. I think it's I think it's about the territory that you mark. So I don't know if I could if I don't know if I should get involved, but he keeps following me. See. So I guess we'll be learning photography today together. So I am looking for a bird, and if I don't know if you're able to see this, but it's somewhere here. It's either a eagle or an hawk. I'm not sure, but maybe when I click a photo and edit, then I might be able to know. So let's see if we can get a photograph of that. Look at this, look at this. There are two of them, two of them, two of them. I hope you had as much fun as I did, because surely it was a very fun trip and got some good pictures and videos here which were not expected at all, but we are still. And the weather here is now very amazing. It's like people are playing around here, and it is so peaceful and so unreal. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you next time.